Hey Zion.
Hello, Angel.
So I want to know, how does that necklace make you feel?
This necklace makes me feel embraced, protected. It makes me feel open, like emanating from right here.
Necklace makes me feel really powerful. I feel really like connected to my ancient truth with it. And I feel like that's in all your pieces, but this one is, it makes me feel powerful.
This necklace makes me feel extremely powerful. Reminds me of my power and yeah, love and power.
It makes me feel really grounded and really calm and also really strong as well. It's like a lot of different energies going together, but they all like coincide, you know?
Nice.
I really like it. It makes me like feel more in tune with myself as well, but like gives me a lot of peace.
This piece makes me feel connected, you know, to everything. All the elements inside of it and the intricacy of the craftsmanship. Yeah, it makes you feel interconnected, interwoven, just like the designs in this Ankh. So, yeah, I love it.
Pretty.
Yes.
I feel like just the weight of it, I feel like it's like letting me know it's there. I feel like present.
Very nice.